Chapter 6, Lines and Angles. What is the heading of the chapter? Lines and Angles. So, we are discussing about the type of angles formed when two lines intersect. And if two lines are parallel. These all angles you have studied in lower classes. So first we can discuss the angles formed when two lines intersect. Then angles formed when a line intersects a set of parallel lines. Let us first discuss about pair of angles formed. That is pair of angles, different pairs of angles you studied. Just recall that all. Complementary pair. Supplementary pair. This all you studied. Complementary pair of angles means two angles, their sum is 90 degree. We can write examples. See 30 degree, comma 60 degree, 20 degree, 70 degree, 85 degree, 5 degree, etc. Then 45 degree, 45 degree. Okay. So, such pairs of angles are known as complementary pair. Now, supplementary pair means sum is 180 degree. Angles, their sum 180 degree. Pair of angles whose sum is 180 degree, that are known as supplementary angles or supplementary pairs. Example, 95 degree, 85 degree. Their sum is 180 degree. This is one pair. Second pair, you can write 90 degree, 90 degree. 100 degree, 80 degree, and so on. So you will get pairs that are complementary pair and supplementary pair. Now one more pair you have studied, that is linear pair. Linear pair. Linear pair means a pair of angles which form a line. That is known as linear pair. See, suppose we have an angle of measurement 60 degree. Another angle of measurement 120 degree. Okay, if you join these vertex, it will form like this. Join the vertex. Then what will happen? This ray coincide with this ray. Okay, then you will get a line Such pair of angles are known as linear pair. Now one specialty means that linear pair is supplementary. That means their sum will be always 180 degree. Clear? So a pair of angles which form a line, that is known as linear pair, and their sum will be always 180 degree, or that angle will be supplementary angles. Okay. Next we have to discuss about one word, axiom. Axiom means it is a mathematical statement that can be accepted without any proof. See, you know theorems. Theorems means the statement which need proof. That means we have to prove the statement. That is theorem. Axiom means without proof we can use that statement true. Okay, so that is axiom. Here we have to study some axioms that need not be proved. No need to prove such statement. In this chapter, first axiom is axiom 6.1. Axiom 6.1. If a ray stands on a line, the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. If a ray stands on a line, so there is a line and a ray stands on the line. So we can draw one ray on this line. You can name it as A, B, and the ray be OP. Then the sum of the two adjacent angles so formed is 180 degree. Which are the adjacent angle? Angle POA and angle POB. Then their sum will be 180 degree. Let us consider another ray and a line. Let PQ be a line and OS is a ray on this line. Okay, then which are the adjacent angles formed? POS and QOS. Then their sum will be 180 degree. That is the axiom 6.1. Adjacent angles means they have a common arm. രണ്ടിനും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടൊരു ആം ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. Okay. Axiom 6.2. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree, then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. If the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So let us consider two adjacent angles. Adjacent angles means they have a common arm. Suppose their sum is 180 degree. Then the non-common arms of the angles form a line. Non-common, രണ്ടിനും common അല്ലാത്തത്. Let us consider the angles as AOC and BOC. Their sum is 180 degree. Then the non-common arms means common arm, രണ്ട് ആംഗിൾസിനും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് ഏതാണ്? OC. So non-common arms means AO and OB. They form a line. That is the statement says. That is, if the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degree. So we have two angles. Their sum is 180 degree. Then their non-common arms form a line. See, this axiom 6.1, 6.2 is also known as linear pair axiom because it is the definition of linear pair of angles. Now let us consider two lines AB and CD that intersect at one point O. Then you can find different pairs of angles formed. See, consider this AB, then OC is a ray on AB. Then you can see two pairs of angles, their sum is 180 degree. Then angle AOC and angle COB are linear pair. Same way, see, CD is a line. Then angle COB and BOC. BOC alla, BOD. See this angle. This is BOD. and COB. They form a linear pair. Same way, AOD and BOD are linear. Then AOD and AOC also linear pair. So if you take two lines which are intersecting, then you can find four pairs of linear pair. Linear pairs. How many types? You can see four types. That is, first one AOC, comma COB. Next one COB, comma BOD. Third one BOD, angle BOD, comma angle AOD. Next angle AOD. Fourth one AOD and AOC. Now one more type of angles they formed. We can discuss about it. See, AB and CD are two lines which are intersecting at the point O. So see this angle AOC and BOD. What type of angles? That are known as vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles means the first one we got angle AOC, comma angle BOD. You can see one more pair there. These two. That is angle COB and angle AOD. Two pairs of vertically opposite angles formed when two lines intersect. And you have studied vertically opposite angles are equal in lower classes. I think it is 7th class it's coming. So our first theorem means if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. We have to prove that statement. That is the first theorem of this chapter. So theorem 6.1, sixth chapter, first theorem. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. We have to prove that AOC, see the figure, lines AOB and COD, which are the vertically opposite angles formed. First pair means these two, then second pair, these two. We have to prove that each pair are of same measurement. That is angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. That is we have to prove, and we have to prove angle AOC equal to angle BOD. Both the pairs are equal measurement. That means first pair they are of equal measurement, second pair that also of equal measurement. That is we have to prove. Okay, so let us prove that first. So let us consider the figure. AB and CD are two lines intersecting at O. Now we know CD is a line. CD is a line and OA is a ray on it. Okay. Then what we can say? Angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. Equation 1. Same way, see AB is a line segment. Sorry, line. AB is a line and see AB is a line and OD is a ray on it. Okay. Then angle AOD plus angle DOB is equal to 180 degree. Reason linear pair. Both are linear pair. Equation 2. See the two equations. Its right sides are equal. So we can take the left side also equal. That means angle AOC plus angle AOD equal to angle AOD plus angle DOB. That is angle AOC plus angle AOD is equal to angle AOD plus angle DOB. Now see AOD same. Okay. So we can cancel it. Both the sides means you can cancel. Now angle AOC is equal to angle DOB. Thus we got first pair of vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. Same way we can prove. No need to prove the next pair. You can just write similarly we can prove that angle AOD is equal to angle BOC. Okay.